I'm in my render dashboard. I locate my database and go down to delete it. Delete. Copy this code here to confirm my deletion. My database has been deleted. I go to PG4 render. I want to remove my server as well. It is. Next, I want to create a new server. Go at new, postgres. Now I want to create a new database. Name. Yeah. The region has been selected. Everything remains the same. I pick free tier here. And create database. A new database has been created. Now I want to connect it to my pgadmin. I copy the external URL. We create register new server. Render connections. Paste the external URL. Name. And the parameters we require. We put the password here. Delete this part. Also after the /, hit save. From there we copy the SQL code here. You see there's a problem here. Need to fix it. So now the new server has been created. Click here under databases, we go to public. Query 2. Paste our SQL. SQL has been, cool. Paste our query here. There, the database is being created. If we hit refresh, you can see tables here being created. And you can just check one table if it's available. There it is. Thank you very much for watching.